UnityPoint Clinic Foot and Ankle, located at Sunnybrook Medical Plaza and on the UnityPoint Health St. Luke's Hospital campus, offers a team of skilled providers focused on restoring your mobility. Led by Doctors Kosta, Antonopoulos, and Valerie, Tallerico, our team offers patients both traditional and innovative treatments designed to help return functionality and reduce pain. Whether it's a bunion, ingrown toenail, heel pain, or something more complex like flat feet or a sports injury that requires surgery, our board-certified foot and ankle surgeons have the specialized knowledge to address any array of conditions affecting the feet and ankles. From diagnosis through surgery and rehabilitation, you can rely on UnityPoint Clinic Foot and Ankle for high-quality and efficient care that is delivered with a relentless focus on meeting your individual needs.